Okay, so this next bridge is also in Cornish, New Hampshire. This is called the Blacksmith Shop Bridge. Now, this one is closed to traffic, obviously. I guess you can walk on it. It says at your own risk. So a little bit here about this. Again, multiple king post truss. And it looks like it's just open on both sides. Year of construction 1881, cost of $873. 91 feet long, clear span of 76 feet, overall width of 14 with a roadway width of 11.5, maximum clearance of 9'3", closed to vehicular traffic. Some remarks. Blacksmith Shop Bridge was built by James Tasker. Bridge was used by only one family and given its name because of its close proximity to a local blacksmith shop that once stood in the area known as Slab City. Milton Grattan, is that name again, repaired and restored the bridge in 1963. Southern end was raised 2 feet and the northern end 1 foot. The floor and sheathing were replaced. Let's see, the bridge was reopened to pedestrian traffic only and dedicated to on September 18th, 1983. Tasker's great-grandnephew attended the opening. The cost repairing the bridge in combination with the Dingleton Hill covered bridge was $30,000. Restoration of both bridges was made possible with aid from Federal Historic Preservation Fund, National Park Service, U.S. Department of the Interior, through the New Hampshire Division of Historical Resources, and Putnam Foundation. Let's see, we got something else here. Any other information, I guess. Blacksmith Shop Bridge is listed on National Register. Okay, historic places. So, I guess I can't walk around it either. This is another one where it's private, actually, all around it, and everything is grown in. So, I guess I will enter at my own risk. Again, with that king post truss, wide open. You can see this is a little different with the wider boards running down the sides. But yeah, it's just that same pattern with the post, the king post, and just those braces notched in on each one of them. Very cool to see how there's no sheathing. And the floor seems fine. Probably not for traffic, of course, but look at that. Some beautiful scenery out here. Yep, pretty standard, just like the last one. You get the post, and then you have like a double. You have a wider one or a double right here in the middle. Just like that one right there. And the two braces coming off. Boom, boom. Yep. Pretty cool. So it's only used for one family. I guess that was their drive at one time. See how steep it is? There is a little area to walk down here. But again, I'm pretty sure it was posted. I'm not going to go all the way down there. I just want to give you a look underneath here. Let's see. I won't go too far up here. I just wanted to read this sign. Okay, so we're realtor. Yeah, nice area. Rock walls. It's really out. Seems in the middle of nowhere. Okay, I obviously can't do a drive-through, so we're on to the next one.